Okay guys, welcome back to another video. Luke, I was gonna make a video with him today, but he had to go to the orthodontist, and guess what? I got a new bird. See it? It's that yellow one. That yellow one right there. Its name is Kiwi. I should have named Lime Kiwi and then Kiwi Lemon, but I mean, I guess it's kind of too late. And Lime's a boy and Kiwi is a girl, and they're already kissing. It's only been like 23 hours since I've got Kiwi, and they're already kissing and all that weird thingamabobs. So, we're not really doing any challenges or anything like that today. We're kind of just doing like, I don't really know. Just comment. I don't know, but Luke is probably going to get another bird after the orthodontist. I could show you that, but that would take a while. And, but this is just kind of like a vlog, like what Rowan Atwood does and like stuff, although it's going to be a quick one. In fact, I don't even know. Like, just comment down below if you want me to do like more like these vlogs that I'm doing right now, or like more basketball outside. I mean, it's getting pretty cold out there. But or like more 2K17 or more quizzes and basketball, or more like would you rathers and stuff like that, or like try not to laugh challenges, or like those eating challenges and stuff like that. And yeah, so shout out goes to Roxy. Oh look, they're kissing. They're kissing. You see it? They're kissing. They're kissing. So they're kissing right now. So that's kind of weird, but yeah, they're already kissing. So shout out goes to Roxy, Garbage Man of the Week. Doesn't really go to anyone because no one was like rude or mean or anything, but I'm just gonna say my least favorite YouTuber and my favorite YouTuber. Like, my least favorite YouTuber is JoJo Siwa. I just kind of think she's bratty and stuff like that. I mean, she never did anything to me. I never did anything to her. I just hate her. But, so, I mean, all the JoJo Siwa fans out there, you can dislike this if you want, and all the JoJo Siwa people, all the people who at JoJo Siwa can subscribe and give it a like. But wow, they are still kissing. But so she's singing. So they're still kissing. But kind of weird. Yeah. Really, really weird. Just kidding. But yeah, it's kind of really super weird, but so yeah, parakeets are my favorite animal. So basically birds. So yeah, Petco, can you advertise me? Because I got this bird from Petco. Both of these birds from Petco. So I love you, Petco. Oh yeah, and I almost forgot again. So you know how once I give Mike a shout out. So I always forget to say this, but he has a YouTube channel too. It's called Darkstar TV. You might not be able to find it because he hasn't made any videos, but I mean, I might be in some of his videos. You just have to, with a capital D and then with no spaces. Oh yeah, and then the TV is capitalized. But so go search him up and subscribe to him. So yeah. Oh yeah, and also Like, comment down below if you want us to do. I mean, I kind of like Clash of Clans. I mean, Luke doesn't. He would hate that. But comment down below if you want us to do Clash of Clans. And we both kind of like Minecraft too. Comment down below if you want us to do Minecraft. So, let me just give you a little tour of the house, because we didn't first give you a tour of the house. So, these are where the cages where the birdies kiss. Hey, they stopped kissing, or not. Jinx myself. There's the front door. There's the closet thing. There's our upstairs where we do challenges. It's cold up there because it doesn't have an air conditioning in it. It feels like how it is outside, and outside is freezing. It's like in the 40s. And then my sister's room, Adeline, one of our bathrooms, and my other sister's room and she's playing with her friend. Our kitchen, it's a mess. Wow, they're still kissing. So, but she's asleep, so I'm gonna go there. And our laundry room. This is our laundry room. And then we go downstairs. Oh wow, Minecraft's still on. Me and Luke did play Minecraft today. So yeah, we're making gigantic houses. Because we made the world completely flat, and we're making it gigantic. So this is the family room, and our downstairs. And then this, oh wow, it's my sister's room. I guess they made a pretty big fort. I gotta admit, that's pretty good. The only thing is, no one can fit in it. If you're wondering why there are no doors, it's just because water. When you turn on the hose outside, water leaks everywhere. So this is our playroom in the basement. This is our other bathroom that I use. And then this is my room. I've got the nice I don't really like Michael Jordan. I have the nice jazz sticker of race cars. When I was little, I used to love race cars and like NASCAR racing and stuff. Now I'm not too big of a fan of that. Then, of course, Russell Westbrook, BYU, Jazz, and another jazz sticker. I have lots of jazz things. Oh yeah, here's another jazz thing. I have a lot of like jazz decorations in my room. The thing is, I don't have a lot of jazz shirts. I'm wearing an Oklahoma shirt right now. So yeah, everyone thinks I cheer for Oklahoma City, but I don't. So that's it for this video, I guess. Thanks for watching. If you're new here, then I'm Lincoln, and if Luke was here, I would have done good morning, Lincolns and Lukers. If you're new here, I'm Lincoln. He's Luke. I'm Luke, and if you're not subscribed, join the family. So let's do that thing. Yeah, I know I kind of copied Jake Paul, but yeah, so yeah. So that's kind of it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If we can get 8 likes, I'll do one of these videos again. So, peace.